Are you tired of constantly battling smudges and streaks on your glasses? Do you feel like you're in a never-ending cycle of cleaning and re-cleaning? Well, fret no more, because we've got the solution for you. The best glasses cleaners on the market. Say goodbye to those pesky fingerprints and hello to crystal clear vision. With our top-notch cleaners, you'll be seeing the world in a whole new light, literally. So why settle for subpar cleaning products when you can have the best? Stick around as we reveal the secret weapon to keeping your glasses sparkling clean. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. Number 5. iSonic D2840 Ultrasonic Cleaners. If you want the best ultrasonic glasses cleaner on the market, the iSonic D2840 is the way to go. With a 1.6-liter tank and digital timer, this device offers precise and deep cleaning unmatched by other methods. The blue LED light lets you know when it's working, adding peace of mind to the cleaning process. The interior basket ensures your small items are cleaned safely, while the timer ranges between 90 and 480 seconds for controlled operation. What I love most about this product is its ability to thoroughly clean every inch of my glasses without risking breakage. One thing to keep in mind is that this cleaner isn't as portable as others, but the superior cleaning performance more than makes up for it. If you want crystal clear glasses free of dust and grime, check out the iSonic D2840 today. Number 4. MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. Tired of smudges on your glasses? The MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloths are a game changer for keeping your lenses crystal clear. The 6x7-inch cloths come in packs, making them perfect for long-term use. They fold up flat and fit easily into your glasses case, ready for whenever you need them. Plus, they're hand washable, so you can reuse them over and over. What sets these cloths apart from others is their versatility. They also work wonders on your laptop screen. The best part, they're affordable, familiar, and reliable. The only downside is that they may not be as effective on extremely stubborn smudges, but a little extra effort goes a long way. If you want a reliable glasses cleaner that won't break the bank, give MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloths a try. Still searching for the perfect glasses cleaner? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Optix 55 Anti-Fog Spray. Optix 55 Anti-Fog Spray is the ultimate solution for keeping your glasses clear in any situation. One of the best things about this product is how easy it is to apply. Simply spray, spread, and wipe clean. The hypoallergenic formula is gentle on skin, making it perfect for everyday use. What I love the most about this spray is its effectiveness. It truly prevents fog from forming on my glasses, binoculars, and swimming goggles. Plus, the 1-minute drying time is super convenient. However, the only downside is that it's not suitable for AR-coated eyeglasses. In comparison to other anti-fog sprays, Optix 55 stands out for its user-friendly application process and long-lasting fog prevention. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Number 2. Peeps Carbon Clean Eyeglass Lens Cleaner. If you want crystal clear lenses every time, the Peeps Carbon Clean Eyeglass Lens Cleaner is your go-to gadget. This compact tool is designed with 2 carbon microfiber pads that effortlessly remove dirt and smudges, giving you a pristine view without any streaks or residue. One major benefit of the Peeps Cleaner is its longevity. You can clean your lenses up to 500 times, thanks to the NASA-inspired technology. The compact size makes it easy to carry around, perfect for on-the-go cleaning. Plus, the included cover protects the pads and extends their lifespan even further. What I love most about the Peeps Cleaner is how well it performs compared to similar models. The carbon microfiber tech truly sets it apart, leaving your glasses spotless every time. The only downside is that the brush end could be a bit sturdier, but it's a minor inconvenience considering the overall effectiveness of the product. Experience the magic of Peeps Carbon Clean Eyeglass Lens Cleaner for yourself. Your glasses will thank you. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Zeiss Lens Wipes. When it comes to cleaning your glasses, Zeiss Lens Wipes are a game changer. With a package of 200 pre-moistened wipes, these alcohol-based cleaners are guaranteed to leave your lenses streak-free. Thanks to Zeiss's optical expertise, these wipes are gentle yet effective, making them perfect for delicate surfaces. Plus, they're free of harsh chemicals like ammonia and fragrances, ensuring a pleasant cleaning experience. What sets Zeiss Lens Wipes apart is their consistency. Each wipe delivers reliable results every time. The only downside? Smart glasses may require a different cleaning approach. However, with Zeiss Lens Wipes, you can confidently keep your regular eyewear sparkling clean. In a sea of glasses cleaners, Zeiss Lens Wipes stand out as a top performer. So why settle for anything less when you can enjoy streak-free lenses with just a swipe? Editor's choice. Zeiss Lens Wipes. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best glasses cleaners. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which glasses cleaner you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.